Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial all about this makeup look I am wearing right here, this very simple shadow on the eyes with this dramatic eyelash to match the pop of color on my lips, which I am loving. It is the perfect lip color for this spring season. Entering into summer, you can absolutely wear this lip color in summer as well. Really quickly before we get into this makeup tutorial, if you aren't already, make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have that all listed right here for you guys, so you guys can follow me on my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. Also, if you're interested, head over to my website, which is also listed right here for you guys. It is shaunaemily.com, where I am posting all of my blog posts, all about things to do with beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel. So head over there if you guys are interested in having a read on my blog posts. But without further ado, guys, let us jump right into this makeup tutorial. So the first product I'm going to use is a primer. Like always, I'm going back to an old favorite of mine. This is my Mary Kay Foundation Primer with the 15 SPF. I'm just going to apply this to the usual places on my face, focusing in the T-zone area and then spreading it out from there. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the color Snow. So I'm just going to pump this onto my Real Techniques buffing brush to apply it to my face, and then I'm going to blend that all in with this beauty sponge. Today's eye look is a super simple one, so I'm going to go ahead with my concealer and conceal underneath my eyes and all the other usual spots on my face. The concealer I'm using is this Tarte Shape Tape right here, and this is in the color Fair Beige. To set all of the Shape Tape that I just applied, I'm going to be using my favorite setting powder, and that is this one here. This is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder. I'm going to be applying this with my Real Techniques, contour brush, which is just the perfect size and shape to get in underneath my eyes and complete all the other setting that I need to on my face. So I'm just going to dip it right into the pot here, like that, and tap off the excess, and then just go right in with dabbing, patting motions everywhere that I concealed with the Shape Tape. Now I am looking pretty white compared to the rest of my body, so I want to bring some color into my face, so I'm going to do some contouring and bronzing. The first product I'm using is this one here from Tanya Burr Cosmetics. This is her contour stick in the color Light. So I'm just going to apply this in the hollows of my cheekbones, chiseling out my jaw, around my forehead, and a little bit on my nose. To buff all of that in, I'm using this brush here from Tarte's Make Believe in Yourself brush set. It is their flat, dense contour brush. To blend in the contour on my nose, I'm using this brush from Real Techniques. This is their Deluxe Crease Brush. I'm just going to take this beauty sponge that I used to blend in my foundation, just to buff out the edges of all the contour. And then just to bronze up my skin a little bit more yet, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is it right here. And I'm going to use this brush from Illuminate Cosmetics, and this is their contour brush. Next up, I'm going to do my brows, and the product I'm going to use is this one here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their brow definer in the color medium brown. For my blush, I'm going to also use another old favorite of mine, and that is this one right here. This is the Milani Cosmetics Baked Blush in number 1, Dolce Pink. I'll be applying that with my Mikasa Beauty F111 blush brush. I don't want too much color on my cheeks, but just a little bit of a nice pink flush to them. To start the eye look, I first want to prep my eyelids. So I'm going to go in again with my Shape Tape and just dab a tiny bit on each lid. And then I'm just going to blend that out using my fingers. Setting that again using my NYX setting powder. Like I said, this eyeshadow look is super simple, so I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Tartelette In Bloom eyeshadow palette. Now I just want to add a bit of a deeper shadow in my crease, so I'm going to go in with this color right here called Jet Setter. Kind of deepening the outer V a little bit and just pulling it through the crease and blending it out. Once you have your crease shade as deep as you want it, you can go in with another clean blending brush. But I'm going to go ahead and pick up my next color, which is this white, light, creamy one called Charmer. And I'm going to take that on this brush and just put that all over the actual lid, blending in with the crease color. Now I'm not going to do any winged liner with a liquid liner on this. I'm going to go straight into eyelashes, so I'm going to curl my lashes using my Revlon eyelash curlers. And the mascara I'm going to be applying today is the new one from Benefit. This is their Bad Gal Bang mascara. So while my top mascara is drying, I'm just going to go back into the same brush and the original color I used, which is this one here called Jet Setter, just lightly bringing that underneath my eyes. And quickly applying a coat of mascara to my lower lashes as well. I'm going to apply some lashes, and these are from Azaredo Cosmetics. They've been used before, so they're not really in the packaging properly, but this is their Legendary Lashes. The adhesive I'm using is my Duo Lash Adhesive. I'm applying my lashes with my Tarte Tartist Lash Applicator. I just quickly want to add some highlight to my face, so I'm using this here. This is my Tarte Skin Twinkle Volume 2 Lighting Palette. This is what it looks like here. And I am going to be using this color right here, which is called Daylight. To apply that, I'm using this brush. This is the SL Miss Glam L36 highlighting brush. Just with my fingertip, I'm going to add that to my brow bone, as well as the inner corner of my eyes, and then down my nose. A little bit on my cupid's bow. There we go. Before finishing off with my lips, I quickly want to set my face. I'm going to be using my favorite Cover FX mattifying setting spray. This is their Pro Longwear Lip Liner in the color Good Timing. This is where I am adding the pop of color, and I am so excited for this lip product. It is one of my faves, and I have been dying all fall and winter to wear it, but now that spring is here, I am super excited to finally be using this in a tutorial for you guys. This is one of Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks in the color Rio. Look at that color, guys. I think that this is one of the most perfect, cool, blue-toned pink liquid lipsticks out there, and I had to have it in my collection. But here we go, guys. This is the finished makeup tutorial. This makeup turned out so nice. I'm really digging the drama with the eyelashes matched with the drama of the lip color. It pairs up really nicely and just added to a simple overall makeup base and eye color. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below if you haven't already for my weekly videos on Wednesdays, and hit that bell notification button too so that you get notified every Wednesday when I put up a new video. That way you guys won't miss out on any of my new content coming out. But that is all from me today, guys. I'm going to go and play with my dog now. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.